difference is that I don't think the Amazon truck yielded. No, I don't think it did. Super douche didn't stop. Got a race to that, actually. You just made an illegal U-turn. You got a fart can muffler. What was that for? What the fuck? Exit dive, and do you know where the fuck you're going, dude? Left, right, left, right. Jesus. Use the sidewalk, lady, for fuck's sake. Way too close, cupcake. Thank you. Oh, don't run the red, Mr. Tow Truck. Don't run the red. You're in the red. Anybody catch the name? Green, don't U-turn. Oh, don't make a U-turn. Oh, you made a U-turn. Fastest way to get down there. A little closer, thank you. Hey, thanks for not letting me over. I really appreciate it. What? Is your fucking... Give me the fucking hand, dude. You sped up. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Oh, leg, dummy. Lord help me. Comcast. You couldn't use the one over there, you fuckface? Someone different. No, you're still there. Okay. Thank you. Well, I was here first. Give me the hand. A little close, thank you. Yeah, asshole, let's dive without a blinker. Okay. Are you turning right? Or are you just flying up for no fucking reason? We're gonna cut off now. What are you doing? What are you doing? There you go. There you go. Yeah. 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 Muscle. Suck. Don't run it. Like that. Alright, alright. Thank you, Dimwits. Tire turd. Going the wrong way. Okay. Oh, good. Hello, how you doing? Hey, in a rush, Florida? I'm holding you up? I'm so very sorry. Okay, now jump to the left lane. 1, over the core point. 2, jerk to the left lane. I knew it. My tongue. Stop. Thank you. Thank you. Don't run it. Ran it. Ran the red. Car wash emergency. No turn on red. No turn on red. Wow. That was a cutoff. That was a cutoff. That wasn't a stop.